Good morning everyone, I'm Pierre Farrugia and welcome to another vlog. Today I am with Vince Paka and we are in St Julians. We are at Harq El Hamiem Valley and we're going to explore a very unique cave to Malta. It's I think the only cave in Malta which doesn't have a floor, but it has it's full of water. So let's go to explore this. Here we are still in the same valley, going towards what is believed to be opening of the cave because we have never been here. As you can see, it's full of buildings around, but the valley is still very pristine. Here we are still looking for the cave entrance. As you can see, we are passing through full vegetation. We have found the track again, or a path. Hopefully it will lead us to our destination. Finally we have found an opening from where we can pass. We are still looking for the cave entrance, which is very small. I think we are very near or close to, yes, we have found the place. Because the cave we are looking for, this is the entrance. Yeah, as you can see, we have to expect something very dark, but we have got some good lights with us, hopefully, so we can show you the beauty of this place. So let's get up and go in. Well, we are starting to getting kitted out, as obviously we need light, and plenty of light. Okay. Now we are going inside this cave. We have some type of stairs here. We have plenty of light, and still it's looking that's not super enough. It's a bit tricky. Look. Now here you have to mind your head, because how narrow it is, the passage. And here you can see we have steps. We are approaching this beautiful cave, and this time beautiful is not enough, I think, and I hope, because I never been here. Here we are inside the cave. As you can see, this cave is massive, that sometimes not even the light is enough we have, and I'm using a 2000 lumens floodlight. Here it's water, and as you can see, you don't even see it, how clear it is. Here is where a big stone fall off from its ceiling, and up here the part where it's stained. They used to throw material inside this cave long time ago, and possibly it's always possibly it's the entrance they found first, and they worked in this staircase afterwards. Now I'm going to try to pass to the other side, which means passing through water, so wish me luck. The water is super cold. Here I have to take care not to slip, because right here I will go down. I made it to the other side. Now we can explore this part as well. We can go a little bit up. Always take great care in these places, because if something happens to someone of us, we don't have any reception. I'm still going up. Now here we are on the other side. As you can see, there is very large rocks. I don't know if you can see from here, but inside, opposite where the light is shining, looks where the passage for the other cave passes. Here we are on top of the rocks, very close to the ceiling. Here is the part that I told you they used to dump rubbish. In front of me, I'm not sure if you can see, we have some inscriptions in the wall. We have 1910 H. Hawkins. We have Bikoy 1954. And we have some other inscriptions which are 1154. There's to Senior S. Martin, but I cannot read. Robert 1967. So as you can see, there's a lot of inscriptions here. From here I'm on top of the rocks. In front of me you can see Paca, which is we are helping each other in this massive cave. This is the view, if you can see, of this. There's a lot of fallen rocks here. Here is the place where I told you there's like stains in the soffit where debris was put down. In Maltese history, we know about this cave in 1772 from Count of Antonio CIantar, and he was describing as this place as Il-Hamiem. If we take it literally in Maltese, it's make the cave of pigeons. But at the end, how it's in old language, old Maltese language, means the running of water. So makes a lot of sense. The grumbling noise of water is coupled with the noise of pigeons. And if you see here, you will find a lot of fresh water. This cave is about 6 meters under the road. And the first step is about 25 meters or 20. And then there's another cave that goes down around 50. At 50 they have found seawater, because this has been dived before in a Maltese survey. And as I was telling you before, maybe you can see them again. We have some inscriptions in the wall here, which date back to 1910, 1967, 1954. So here have been known since a long time ago. So let's try to continue exploring. Here, most probably, is where the cave is connected to the other underwater cave. Here, the stained part is where they used to dump some rubbish and stuff. And many speculate that it was found from this part, and then they made this staircase afterwards. Now we are at the water's edge again, on the other side. There is all water. Now I'm going to head back where we started. As I told you many times, it's very, very slippery, and we have to go through water again. So slipping in this cold water, I leave it up to you but I'm going to try not to do it. No. Now we are closing there. You have to take care. It's very easy to fall inside. Up there you can see Paca. Now it's his turn exploring this beautiful cave. Hope you like this cave. Now we're going up. Oh, the fresh air of outside. The cave was beautiful, as you can imagine, and this is the best cave we ever done. It was very hard to videograph in this cave, but I think it is worth it. What do you think, Paca?
It was very nice. I think this is unique in Malta, with that big cave and the water inside. We enjoyed it a lot.
Hope you enjoyed this vlog, me and Paca. What's your channel, Paca?
My channel is Vince Bonello Paca.
Subscribe, he has some nice adventures and many times we'll be with each other. Like usual, Pierre Farrugia. This was our Harq El Hamiem. This is the entrance of this beautiful cave. Hope you like, and until next time, bye bye.